Hi, I'm Sandhya. I'm doing machine learning project on diabetes dataset as SciFi Labs assignment. For this, we need to import required libraries like pandas, numpy, and all shown here. To load the diabetes dataset from the sklearn datasets, we need to write this code like from sklearn.datasets import load diabetes. For the description of the diabetes dataset, we need to use DESCR, which shows the information about the diabetes dataset here. After this, we need to extract both features and target from the diabetes datasets using pandas.dataframe. Then we need to concat both features and targets in one table using concatenation function. The keyword is concat. Here we can see both target and features are in one table assembled together. Then we need to round decimal values to 2. We can use any number. Then the next step is data visualization. For this, we need to calculate correlation for showing the dependency between target and features. Using Pearson, we can calculate correlation for the graph in descending order. We need to write this code. L dot sort key is equal to lambda, x is to x of 0, reverse is equal to true. Here default will be false. Using plot, figure, plot bar and all these functions, we can plot the graph. Here we can say that target is mostly dependent on the attribute BMI. The next step is normalization. As target is mostly dependent on the BMI, we need to extract both BMI values and target values in X and Y. Using min-max scalar, we can set the X and Y values in the ascending order. Then we need to split the data using train test split function into X train, X test, Y train and Y test. Then we need to perform mean square error. For this, we need to write error, update and gradient functions. Error and update function calls will be done in this gradient descent function, and this is the using of gradient descent. Here percentile of time is a function, magic function, which prints the time. Then we need to plot the X train and Y train, which has a positive slope here. Then here we are plotting the graph between error and iterations. We can see that as iterations increases, error is decreasing. Then the next step is visualization of model. This can be done with the help of Funcanimation and HTML. Here is the visualization of the model. After this, we plot the graph between X test, Y test and X test and predicted. And we can get both target Y and predicted Y values using this code. Thank you.